CERF's absolutely critical because what it does is to provide funding in the immediate aftermath of a crisis so that UN organisations and partners can get right out there and work to help the people who are most affected. I've seen the impact it's had in places like the Philippines, in Syria, Lebanon, neighbouring countries, but we also give CERF funding to smaller crises that never hit the headlines, and it makes a tremendous difference because, of course, for every crisis, be it small or large, it's having an impact on someone in the world, and for that country or for that person, it's a major crisis. It's really important given that although CERF funding has remained pretty stable since CERF was founded, and this year we got the second highest level of pledging that we've ever had. With more and more crises, we are needing to be much more strategic, much more focused, more prioritised. So this training is all about saying to our managers in the field, you need to get together to think about the strategic priorities for a country. Where can CERF funding really make a difference? It's not about slicing up the cake so everybody gets a bit of it. It's about saying, what's the most immediate impact that we can have? And it means that a country team, under the leadership of a humanitarian coordinator, has to take some pretty tough decisions about where would CERF funding most make a difference. And I will be looking at this very, very closely. Where country teams are just putting in a list of projects, haven't thought about it clearly, haven't focused, and it's not strategic, I will not be agreeing on that funding. Well, of course, it's the humanitarian country team in a country, and the good thing about a humanitarian country team is that it has UN humanitarian organisations and our partner organisations on it, and this is under the overall leadership of the humanitarian coordinator. So the leadership is key.